Hey amigas, today we're making fast food at home Wingstop. Here are wings. We're going to season them. We're going to throw them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. And we're chopping up our veggies and our corn. Now we're making our fries. There we go. I seasoned my chicken with just Johnny's and threw it in the oven. Now it's done. They've been cooking for about 30 to 40 minutes depending on your oven. They look good. Now we're going to grab our hot oil and we're going to fry our corn. 360 degrees is what you need to keep your oil at. Yummy. They've been frying for about 12 minutes. Now we're going to season with lemon pepper. And yes, absolutely yes. All of that, yes. And now we're going to clean our oil. Cleaning your oil in between frying is really important. So I use this little tiny strainer to strain out all the pieces of corn. And now we're throwing in our baked chicken wings. Those are going to fry for about 5 minutes. They're already cooked. They just were frying out the outside. We make our chicken wings dry because Fabian does not like his food sticky. So I like making food that he would want to order at a restaurant at home because I'm able to customize it for him. There we are. So putting in our second batch. Yes. And keeping that oil hot is so key. That stops your food from absorbing oil. And on the inside, it's going to be juicy and baked. And on the outside, super crispy. So good. We're going to dip these in our sauce. Whatever sauce you like. You could toss them in sauce if you don't want to do them dry like me. Now we're getting our clean oil because we cleaned it. And throwing in our fries. The fries are going to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Depending on how crispy you like them. I like mine a little bit on the softer side. So 10 minutes is perfect. There we are. We're getting our fries out. They've been frying. I keep my thermometer on my pan so I'm able to really regulate that temperature. So get yourself a thermometer. All right, now we're seasoning our fries with truffle seasoning from Costco. So good. Make this at home and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.